So, one of the main things I get on this channel is speakers or audio equipment. And I like what companies are doing nowadays where they're getting their audio systems and their speaker systems to the best quality they possibly can, as well as making them look amazing. Now, the company I'm talking about was Edifier. Edifier have released some amazing products, especially sent them over to this channel in so many ways, shapes, and forms. Everything from their speakers to their headphones. I've been gobsmacked for some of their amazing unboxing experiences. I reviewed a lot of their speakers, talking like, little bookshelf ones, the bigger bookshelf ones, that looked absolutely incredible. But I wasn't aware of the size of the speakers and the quality of the speakers and how good these speakers are actually going to be today. The box is extremely heavy, and this is really going to be interesting. So, this is the S2000 Mark III. So these are the speakers we are looking at. Now, just for comparison, I did a video a while ago about some other Edifier speakers. Now, if I put this speaker there, that was the last type of speaker I did for Edifier. Oh, get that straight. It's pretty much half the size of this one. Never mind how wide these ones are. Like, look at the pure size of that. That is incredible. Like, that's my hand. I can't explain to you the pure size of these speakers. Now I'm going to take the faces off just because I like the faces come off. So I'm going to pop them to one side. They just pop off very nice and easily. I'm going to move the little dweeb speaker over there. I want to talk a little bit about these. Now these are Bluetooth speakers, very much so. And some of the accessories that you get actually here are, we have our 3.5mm jack to coaxial audio, as well as audio cable going on there. We do also get an optical cable that comes with this, going on right there. And we also get a very nice fancy little remote that also comes with this. Like I said, Edifier logo going on the bottom there. So we already have some set programs on here. So we have our on-off switch going on at the top. We have mute. We have Bluetooth. We have line 1 and 2, optical, coaxial. And then we also have 4 presets for the speakers. So we have monitoring, classic, vocal, and also dynamic, as well as the main buttons in the center with the D-pad, which is play and pause, volume rockers, and also skipping songs. And it is extremely nice. When these speakers first did turn up, I got a shock of my life when I actually saw them, for the matter of fact of how much they actually weighed. So I'm not going to waste any time whatsoever talking about these. We're going to jump into some specifications, and always we're going to do an audio test, because these I'm looking forward to. So let's go into specs. So guys, what we're talking about is the Edifier S2000 Mark IIIs. Now, just starting off with the high-end audiophile components. These are built using planar diaphragm tweeters that are about 5.5-inch woofers, and the S2000 Mark III delivers clear, powerful audio. Now, these are equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD decoding. So these allows this to stream high-quality audio wirelessly with reduced latency and increased stability. So this does come with line-in, optical, and also coaxial inputs. You can connect S2000 Mark IIIs easily using wireless, dual RCA, line-in, and optical connections with multiple sources to avoid swapping inputs constantly. So these speakers also come with a wireless remote, which is very convenient. Remote control allows you to adjust the playback or even the input on the fly. So on the back of these speakers, they do come with 3 individual switches themselves. This includes volume input, bass, and treble, allowing you to adjust it to your perfect freestyle. So these are an amazing set of speakers, yet their size and weight. So this flexible style allows you to switch between the EQ present modes, which are monitor, dynamic, classical, and even vocal, with the single press of a button. These 4 sound modes will heighten the difference to styles in varying genres of music and audio, and you can enjoy your music in any space in your house or area. So my favorite features for these are the diaphragm tweeters and aluminium diaphragm drivers. They do come with a black wooden design with the PVC side panels, which will look incredible. The OLED LCD screen shows different modes on the bottom of the speakers, allowing you to see the Bluetooth connection, different input and output modes, and also the volume level.
The dual upgraded DSP chips for the crossovers as well as, and also the Qualcomm aptX and Bluetooth 5.0. Now, if you do want to upgrade your listening experience to the highest level possible, I suggest you go down the links in the description and go grab a pair of these for yourself and make your listening experience so much better.
So guys, that was the video of the S2000MKIII speakers from Edifier. Now, I don't know about you, but I enjoyed that video more than any of the other ones that I have done for the Edifier speakers. They were incredible, they sounded phenomenal, and the pure size of them, I didn't realise that speakers came that big until they were like, you know, massive. All down to the brass when we went through the specifications. I went through like some of the stuff that they've got going on inside these speakers. Now, I'm an influencer, if you want to say. I don't know the ins and outs of audio equipment and speakers, how they're made. I just like the way they perform. That's kind of the why I'm here. Everyone else builds them and makes them perfect, and I just review them. That's how it goes. And every time I do a video, I try to make it as honest as I physically can. You know, reviews are there for people to be like, should I buy this? Let's go watch his review and we'll go from there. Now, I will never lie in one of my videos. Never. Simple as. And 9 times out of 10, my videos aren't paid for. So I know I get a lot of comments every so often saying, he just gets paid for it, he doesn't bother with it. That's not the case. If there's something I don't like about the product, if there's something I don't see the point, I will say it. I've said it in a lot of my headroom reviews that they should change this, they need to change that. I like this, but I don't like that. And that's kind of how my reviews go. I have no reason to lie. That's kind of how it works. The links that are 9 times out of 10 in my description are from the company that aren't commissioned. So I don't make money off that either. I enjoy doing reviews, and this is why I do it. I don't make a profit. It's kind of the point of being an influencer. You know, I'm supposed to influence you guys to look into the products that I actually genuinely believe in, and that's kind of the point of this video. So if you have watched this video all the way to the end, then you're in good luck, because I'm actually going to be giving these away. So the only way you're going to physically find out about the giveaway is if you have watched all the way through. Now, if you have watched all the way through, put in the comment down below this word, S2000, and I'll know whether you've watched it or not. For you guys that haven't obviously watched, lol, you don't get some speakers. But in the end of the day, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for Edifier for making some amazing audio quality. And like I said, these are the S2000MKIII. All the links will be in the video description. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my video. And of course, the giveaway that's coming to you guys that have actually stuck around to watch.